HighMAT was a format created by Microsoft and Panasonic in the early 2000s for burning CDs. It is dead technology. Windows 11 removed support for it entirely. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's discuss workarounds. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic HMT file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. The HMT file extension is associated with HighMAT and Media, a file format developed by Microsoft and Matsushita, Panasonic. HighMAT, High Performance Media Access Technology, was designed to improve the interoperability of digital media between PCs, CE devices, and optical storage media like CDs and DVDs. It aimed to simplify the organization and playback of digital photos, music, and videos across different devices. HighMAT files typically contain metadata and directory structures that allow devices to easily navigate and access media content. The format supports various media types, including JPEG images, MP3 audio, and MPEG video. HighMAT's design focused on creating a user-friendly experience for managing and playing digital media on a range of consumer electronics devices, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. To maintain file fidelity, use HighMAT, developed by Microsoft and Panasonic to open HMT. The file's visual data is accessible, but requires specialized software for metadata reading. Windows lacks the ability to interpret domain-specific data, so specialized applications are necessary. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your HMT file, then choose Open With. You should start with HighMAT if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. If your HMT file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since the application couldn't handle the HMT file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, use Text Editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad++, or a web browser to view the HTML text content. Next, check Associated Program. Determine the associated program, e.g. web design software, that uses the HMT file. Finally, check syntax. If the program fails, check the file for basic syntax errors, e.g. missing tags, incorrect attributes. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your HMT file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When the problem persists after using specialized software, the HMT problem lies in the format's complexity. FileMagick is engineered to master hundreds of formats that Windows ignores. Go to filemagick.com. I'm grateful you chose to watch this tutorial. If you found this useful, please share it on social media and ensure you subscribe for more.